It's as good as in. You just got to get his fire bottle right.
We can't unbolt. It's not supposed to do that. It's Monday night. Or not Monday night, it's Thursday night, the 12th. We're gonna see if we can fix that. They sent us some brackets. Generator company did. See if we can get our tour part fixed up, beefed up so it doesn't move, because it likes to rattle when you're setting. Nobody likes a rattle. So there's a piece mounted right there. See the bolt hole. It broke out of this box. They sent these to reinforce it, but it's already broke, so we figured out what they were trying to tell us to do because there was no instructions. Doug's over there fixing that piece. It gets bolted to the stator cover here, and then this piece gets bolted to it and goes into the side here, which will keep that from moving. Good generator. They just need to refine a couple things.
Glad we did that, Jason.
Oops, there's my phone. So this bracket and this bracket here just bolts to the side there, hangs there, but she don't move now. That's what Jeff at S&S was trying to tell us. We couldn't figure it out till tonight. It's definitely solid. It ain't going nowhere, and we still got power, so that's a good thing. Well, Daryn ordered tie rods for this. Problem is he ordered 5/16 heims, 4 5/16 heims, and these are 3/8. So ordered new rods today. This is our kind of truck maintenance, generator maintenance compartment on the truck. Doug looked in there tonight. Found our air line we needed to fix the nitrogen regulator. So we're checking things off the list again tonight, as usual. Well, change number 972,000. He said, don't do no more on this car. We probably won't race it at all this year. With Brownstown canceling all their March races because the backstretch wall fell in due to the rain last week. He thinks we'll have the new car done and ready to go by the first time around here. Not going to Highland this weekend. They're supposed to open up, see how that works out. We did get a pretty good amount of rain the last 2 days. It's Dallas's birthday, so we're not racing, even if they do race. But I think 2 weeks they're back there on Saturday night. So I think that's the goal, is shooting for Highland in 2 weeks. See how that plays out. Still waiting on some stuff from Rocket for the new car. Think we will be going out there next Tuesday night. I know Dave's going out there to wire it up. They got the motor set in it this past Saturday. Transmission in it. Carburetor came back Tuesday. Daryn took it with him to put on the car, so making progress. Well, it's Monday afternoon. As you just saw, we had some wild weather yesterday. It was a high of 68, and 2 hours after the storm blew through, it was in the 30s. Snowed overnight. High today is 28. It is cold and windy out there. Definitely don't feel like race season. We had to cut these off because they had this header wrong. George is going to come out and weld them on. Got to cut this off, turn it. Darren's taking the ignition boxes with him. That way they're all three set up the same. Got to get the fuel line off of this. Daryn wants it for some reason. And who knows what else we're going to get into tonight. We are going to Daryn's tomorrow night. We're going to get the lift put in the pit box, lift motor, and make sure that's all good. Highland did rain out Saturday night, so we didn't miss nothing there, which is good. I don't know if I said this, but we were planning on racing in 2 weeks at Brownstown. The back wall fell in last week, laying in the middle of the backstretch due to all the rain. So all the March events have been canceled there. We'll see what happens there. The surgeon is in.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Was it longer? Did you check it? That one's a lot longer than the one you had. Yeah, about 6 to 8 inches. Perfect. Yeah, that's what I need.
I just realized the header's cracked. See the light shining through it. We're gonna get George to weld them up while he's here too. This one's not. Them three are.
What it is dirt that's caked on, burned on it. Yeah.
How's this work for you, Doug?
Totally fine. That's good enough. Yeah, leave a little in there for a base. That's fine. Much good.
You can see in there, got that all cleaned up.
George did a fine job.
They're hard to get to
Yeah, they weren't easy.
with them braces all in there and then being round.
Well, they got the motor in it. Bell housing. We brought the transmission out, put in it tonight. It's Tuesday, we're at Daryn's. Coming along.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. Right.
Dave's over here wiring up the new ignition box like all our other ones, so they all match. Getting that done. Hopefully we don't have to ever change it. And we're going to work on getting the pit lift pump put in here. Once it's all said and done. Spare bumpers, rear end's got to go in the trailer. That was out of the 1.2. The guy that bought it wanted the 411, which we had, so we'll put that in there. It's all spare parts. Spare nose got to be built so it can go on the crash cart. New pit lift, old pit lift. Get rock and rolling here shortly. Huh?
Feed.
Did you get it?
Don't touch that.
I need some Windex as well.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes.
Might want to let this one clean off a little bit. Before you slide her up.
Yeah.
She's already starting to shrink on the fucking wire. It's like a mile down.
It's Harbor Freight.
Yeah.
You know what? Maybe I'll go this way, Jason.
It might be easier.
Yeah, it'll work. Oh God, I thought it was sparking.
Got him.
You had me going.
He jumped, didn't even know why.
I heard that snap. I know what that sound does.
Hauser's hooking the battery charger cable up.
Or attempting to. It can be a pain where the battery's located at.
And that fits.
Eyelet's not big enough for them big old bolts.
No, not even the ones they sent on the car. I had to drill that out.
Okay, where's the? Okay.
Getting her going. Olga and Daryn are splitting the header apart so they can get it on the car without pulling the motor out, because the right side header goes inside the frame. So you have to take the collector off to get that in, then put the collector back on. We got the new pump out of the box, ready for it to go in the pit box.
Is she gonna go?
Oh, now I'm on the fireball. Fuck me, God damn it. It's going. That fucker's gone. It's as good as in. You just got to get his fire bottle right.
We can't unbolt the header because George welded two pieces together when he was welding the tab on. So we're trying to get in here without
And Max
taking the
just makes me
motor out.
better.
Right here, though. You know what this is?
Yeah, it goes in the drawer.
One of the drawers, yeah.
Like drill bit drawer. It goes in there, yeah. Ogre, we really need to get the Ogre cam this year.
We could probably do it at a couple of racetracks.
A little more.
Do I need to try to come my way to help you at all?
Race cars are
If that
so
fire
much
bottle
fun.
wasn't there, we'd be in there like
Oh,
swinging.
not the.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you could swing it over then. Oh, we're gonna get there.
Fucker.
They've got the ignition all wired up, plugs all the same, so it's ready to go.
From now on, Doug. That's right. I wonder if oh damn, I don't even know. I could try. I'm gonna try to get this stuff.
They got it on. It was a bitch, but they got it.
Well, now we can carry a spare right side header.
Well, we always have. Yeah.
Didn't know if we could do it.
Well, good morning to you. It's Saturday. We're out here at Daryn's. Me and Doug just picked up a load of tires. We're going to try and get this mounted and done. Max will be here shortly. He wants to track down a fitting. We'll get the pump wired up and put in the pit box. Seems like that one goes up a little quicker than the old one.
Oh, what?
Like it goes up faster.
Let's set them stops. Or,
I think you just probably lock it.
you're right.
Towards the top, just so that it's slide. There, let me lose the
She's in and working.
I've got the bulkheads changed. Pump and battery is in there and mounted. She's been test fired.
It's still Saturday. We changed shops.
Brad delivered us a drum of oil on Thursday, case of Pure Cool. So thanks to Brad for that. If you need any oil or Pure Cool, make sure you reach out to Pure Max. You can find him on Facebook. We're gonna fill our 1 gallon jugs, keeping a trailer out of this, because it's cheaper to buy it by the drum than by the jug.
Battery box. I don't think we're gonna fit that starter in here. So Max informed us this morning when we were at Daryn's that Daryn was taking the truck and trailer home either tonight or tomorrow. So
we've got to get her loaded up. We weren't prepared or ready for him to do that, but we come back here to get it done so he can take it home.
Boy, the reflection on this side is something else compared to what it was last year.
She sure cleaned up good.
It's currently 80 degrees and nowhere around here is racing. Well, that's going to do it for this one. There's a lot of this and that back and forth, but we're getting close. Beautiful day today. It's 80, but nowhere around here is racing. Daryn's working today. We will catch you all next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment. Let us know what you think. Share with your friends. Hit that thumbs up button. Give us a like. Thanks.